Guys, it's been a while since we received those tools from instructables.com, but the reason why we haven't unboxed them up till now is the fact that we don't have a particular workbench that can hold both these tools, as they produce a lot of fine dust. So eventually I have to go through this, and I've decided to build a flippable tool table that's going to hold both the disc sander and the bench grinder. So without any further ado, let's get building. For this project we are going to need 1-inch square metal tubing, a bunch of metal sheets, some heavy duty wheels, and a bunch of nut bolts that's going to hold everything together. The structure is completely made out of metal tubes held together with those metal sheets. So first of all, we are going to chop everything up to the required length. I'll drop down the dimension of everything in the description below, so be sure to check it out. So guys, finally we have cut down all the parts, and now we need to sand the rough edges, and for that we are going to use our belt sander. So guys, finally we have buffed all the parts and the frame is ready to get assembled. But the problem is that we don't have a welding plant, and neither do I know how to weld. So what we are going to do is to use these 6mm hex bolts to hold the frame together. So we are going to drill 6mm holes in these plates and the tubes as well. So let's get drilling. Now to lock this bed in place, what we are going to use is a rod that is threaded from both ends. So one of which is going to get inside this tube, while the other one will be screwed on either end depending upon which side of the bed we are going to use. So guys, finally the flippable tool table is completed, and this thing definitely went beyond our expectations, as this is the first time that we have worked with such kind of metal construction, so it went really good. And if you want us to work more on such kind of projects, then let us know in the comment section down below, and that could even be a customized electric bike, a go-kart or anything like that. So guys, I'll see you soon in the upcoming video. Stay tuned.